Well, I'm back at you. I'm still sitting here in the bushes. Wonderfully peaceful out here. Not too many people yelling and screaming and blasting their music and carrying on. Very peaceful out here. I love it. I spoke too soon. So here's the setup for this week. I have an apple there, apple right there, an apple right here, and it's the peanut butter. Here are the two rocks I think that were missing from last week. Well, we'll stack those. We'll leave those stacked. And we're going to go look at where I used to sit, since it looks like something else has been sitting there. So, alright, people, just going to my other spot, okay? Damn, looks like more dirt has been deposited here since last time. Well, I'm kind of wondering if I should have taken those intestines. Wonder if they were a gift for me. I don't know. I mean, interesting. You know, very interesting. But, yeah, seashell still up there. It hasn't been taken. Maybe they don't, I don't know. Maybe they just don't like the trinkets. So, let's go look at this. This dirt spot right here, believed to be where their feet were. It looks like something has been digging right here. I wonder what's been digging right here. Very odd. But I sit way up there. I don't sit down here. Honestly, I don't know. What I'm going to do, I'm sorry, I just totally on the fucking fossil thing right now. It's full of ants. I'm assuming something was digging for the ants. Huh. Now that makes sense. Something was digging for the ants. Interesting. I don't know what out here would be wanting to eat ants. Let alone be able to dig for it. Huh. I don't know. I'm just going to sit in my normal spot right here. Oh, pile of dirt right here. Don't make no sense. A couple of rocks. Interesting. I think they are playing with me now. That's what I think. I'm just kind of zooming in. See if my face finder goes off. It's the only time I've ever had that happen. That was weird. It was totally tracking. Huh. That. Okay. Now it's tracking something. Right there. Okay, it's tracking something. Huh. Yep, I move the phone and it stays right there. It is directly center of the screen. That is very interesting. And then the one thing I saw that I wanted to focus in on isn't there anymore. Well, people, I think they're here. Yeah, it ain't going away. It's staying on that spot. Okay, now that I looked up over my phone, it's gone. I really wish that face finder would pop up on the screen, on the video. So that you guys can see it. But you know what I could do is I do have my old cell phone, my old G5, which still works. I can bring that out with me, and when the face finder goes off on this phone, I can video with the G5 to show you that it is tracking something. So I think I'll do that next time I come out here. I'll start carrying that with me. I really want y'all to see that. Very interesting. And then it just stops. It just disappears. Just quits tracking. It's gone. I love it though. I freaking love it. Oh. This definitely seems to be the spot they want me in. So, alright. We'll let all that stuff go for another week. And have the peanut butter. It's still there next week. I will bring it out here and see if we can't put it somewhere over there or something. I can't put it up high because of the red lid. People will see it. So, very cool. Alright. So, kind of want to go explore again, but I just don't know where. I really want to get back there. But I don't want to push my bounds, you know what I mean? So, I really don't know what animal up here would be digging for ants. I don't get it. I don't get it. But this is where I sit. And came up here last week and something's been sitting where I sit. You see the feet right there? And this was the butt. So I don't know, I'll be sharing spots now. Did they want to come out and feel my energy? Because they're more than welcome to. More than welcome to. So, after all, it's their home, and I'm just visiting. I'm just here to visit with them. That's it. That's all I'm doing, just visiting. So, it's weird. My face finder last time it went off was in the same freaking area. Pretty cool. Alright. I'm gonna turn you off. There's a bunch of people out walking around, so kind of annoying me, but oh well. They have a right to be out here also. So just wish they were a little more quieter about it. Alright. I'll check y'all later. See ya.